Let me show you two different ways how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A37. So first, if you have access to your phone and everything is okay, and also if perhaps there's something wrong with the phone, or also you can't remember the pin pattern or password on it. So first, if everything is okay, you can simply head to your settings. In the general management settings, click over here on the reset. And you see, if you scroll all the way down here, you have the factory date reset. So once you do it, essentially it will remove everything from your phone. It will also delete all the pictures, videos you have on it, remove all the accounts. If you want to sell this phone, for example, or return it, so simply go over here, also eSIMs, and simply click reset and everything will get wiped. So what if you can't get access to the phone? Then the second way. For this step, you also need to get a computer or laptop where to plug in your phone. Then take your charger cables that you use to charge it and plug both of them together. On the computer, you do not have to do anything, so this is simply process like that. Then we have to actually force restart in this bootloader. To do it, we are going to hold the power plus volume down at the same time and keep holding till it shuts down. Once it shuts down, we are going to jump to holding the power plus volume up till the bootloader menu appears. Okay, so the power plus volume down. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, so jump to holding the power plus volume up and keep holding like this. Okay, so you see you have this Android recovery menu. Then using your buttons, so the volume buttons, you go over here on the wipe date factory reset and confirm with the power button. Okay, navigate down once more to the factory date reset and again confirm with the power button. So once you do it, again everything will get completely wiped from your phone, and you will essentially lose everything on it as well. But yeah, that also will remove any security it had and stuff like that. So if you want to back out, you can also do that. So I have no need for it. So quite easy. Good luck.